Hey, George! Wake your ass up, dog! This nigga crazy. Oh, God. Go put some toothpaste on the top and his fingernails. Try to dick on the nigga's fucking going to his mouth.
Let's make the fun.
Hey! The Jorge, should I call his Junior?
Mijo.
Oh, mijo.
Just like I in the other room.
Oh, God.
We're dealing with us. He ate and then he was too goofy.
It's going loud. Nigga, Jorge Junior. Going loud, look.